Hey everyone! Today, we're tackling a common hair concern: lifeless, dull, and dehydrated locks. We're going to explore how to hydrate and restore your hair's vitality using some amazing Mayraki products. Let's start with the science behind hair hydration. Our hair's health depends on maintaining a balance of moisture. When hair loses moisture, the cuticle, the outer layer, becomes rough and porous, leading to frizz, breakage, and a lack of shine. This can be due to environmental factors, heat styling, chemical treatments, or simply neglecting proper hydration. Now, how do we combat this? Enter Mayraki Ultra Repairing Shampoo. This shampoo is formulated to gently cleanse without stripping away essential moisture. It's often formulated without harsh sulfates, which can be super drying. 2. Seal in moisture and smooth. Mayraki Silky Smooth. It's a game changer for combating frizz and flyaways. Apply a small amount to damp or dry hair, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends. Additional hydration tips: limit heat styling. Excessive heat can further dehydrate your hair. Drink plenty of water. Hydration starts from within. Use a humidifier. Especially during dry months, a humidifier can add moisture to the air and benefit your hair. Protect your hair from the sun. Just like your skin, your hair can be damaged by the sun's UV rays. By incorporating Mayraki products and following these tips, you can effectively hydrate and restore your lifeless hair, bringing back its natural shine and vitality. Remember, consistency is key. Give your hair some love, and you'll see a noticeable difference. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair care tips. And check out the link in the description to learn more about Mayraki's hair products.